because I have a thing for all my fans. So the one with the most views will remix this sound and gets the most views will I subscribe to you and I will give you one of these brain roots. Wait, let me just go on top of here. Then I will give you one of these brain roots with the two of the mutations, and if you come up here, I will maybe be lucky to you and give you this one with the thunder tried on it. So remix the sound, and whoever gets the most views, I will subscribe to you. I will give you my name, my Fortnite name, and you can join me, and I will give you one of these brainer roots. Good luck. You only have 2 days